will start with a situation where the bike almost paid a very high price for his thoughtlessness.
Ce l'ho fatta, scusatemi, ce l'ho fatta. Scusatemi. Tutto bene, tutto a posto, sto bene. Ah, sì, ce l'ho fatta. Meno male che andavo piano. Scusatemi ragazzi, scusatemi. Spaccato tutto e ce l'ho fatta. Andiamo, Andiamo!
Overtaking in such a way irritated the driver so much that he decided to react in a way that was also not entirely safe.
I think he hit his front brake out. Damn, you alright?
In the right mirror we can see the rider who didn't keep a safe distance and makes a very big mistake while not paying attention. great appreciation for this biker who decided not to be passive and react very quickly.
Oh, I got it on camera! God dang, yo! Yo, I got this on camera. Let's see if they're good, yo. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm just like in shock right now.
Let's see if you can move your car. Can you try and move your car on the side over there?
Like where?
Yeah, put it on park. Put it on, restart the car. Okay, just try to move it on the side over there. Yeah, just go on this side. You okay, bro? Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Turn off the car. Put it on drive. Put it on park. Turn it off. Hey, come on.
Yeah, it's not getting open.
Hold on. Seatbelt, hold on. Come on. Move.
Yeah,
Okay.
hello? Yeah, just
You are stuck. You good?
hello? Yeah.
Yo, guys, my GoPro stopped recording for a bit, but damn, yo.
What am I supposed to do?
Oh, I'm just calling 911 right now.
So do I have to wait, I think?
Yeah. Alright, yo, I'll see you in a bit. Alright, you got this.
Thank you.
No problem.
The ball, man. Thank you.
No problem. There, guys. No. Oh. And then I ran my bike into a ditch. Come on. Kidding me, dude? Are you good, dude?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm fine. Yeah, the airbag.
Oh my god!
The airbag.
It worked!
Call somebody to come help. Oh no.
We're good. Thank you, sir. I saw you take that right turn. I was like, oh. Are you okay though?
Fine.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.